Alright everybody, welcome back to another episode here. It is time to go drive around this Camaro here and test out the new camshaft in it. And I figured what better way to do that than with no hood on it. Not really what I want to do, but that hood weighs like 200 pounds it feels like, and I don't want to throw out my back putting it on. So yeah, we're going to do it kind of roadkill style today and drive down the road, maybe just go 10 miles or so and see how this thing runs, and hopefully we don't break down and make it back in time for dinner. So let me go pack my stuff up and we'll get this thing moving. Alright everybody, here we are. If you haven't been following along, this engine, I just did a recent rebuild on it, so this is kind of my first start on it. I've just been breaking it in and all that stuff. Everything's been fine, but I'm ready to actually make a decent trip on it now. The only thing I changed majorly on the engine is the camshaft. I went from a Comp Thumper Cam to a Comp Xtreme Energy Cam, and I'll throw the information of it down in the description below. But let's get this thing started because I am roasting in here and ready to get on the move. It's got a Holley Sniper EFI on it as well, so it should start right up. try is over, guys. That was too stressful. Glad it's done though. Basically the biggest thing, I have to fix a sticky throttle. That makes it almost undrivable. But overall, guys, it was really good. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned, I'll be doing some more videos. I also have some cool stuff coming up with a 383 built short block that we just got from ATK. I'm going to do a little feature video for it. Should be pretty cool, so stay tuned. See you guys in the next one.